Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to change a folder name on Bitwarden step by step. I'll be walking through this on the web vault, but the process is similar on the desktop app as well. First, log into your Bitwarden vault. Once you're logged in, you'll see your main vault interface. On the left side of the screen, you'll notice the filter section, and within that, your folders list. This is where all your existing folders are displayed. Now locate the folders section on the left sidebar. All your existing folders are listed here in alphabetical order. Scroll through the list and find the folder you want to rename. Click on that folder name. When you do, the folder will become highlighted to show it's been selected. After you've selected the folder, look to the right of the folder name. You should see a small pencil icon appear next to it. This is the edit button. The icon might appear faint until the folder is actually selected, so make sure the folder is highlighted first. Click on that pencil icon. When you click the pencil icon, an edit dialog will pop up on your screen. Inside this dialog, you'll see a text field with the current folder name already displayed. Click into that text field to place your cursor there. Now delete the old folder name and type in your new name. The field accepts text input immediately, so just type your new folder name exactly how you want it to appear. Once you've entered the new name, look at the bottom of the edit dialog. You'll see a Save button there. Click that Save button to confirm the change. The edit dialog will close, and you'll be back at your main vault view. Look at your folders list again, and you'll see the folder name has been updated to the new name you entered. The folder will automatically reposition itself in alphabetical order based on the new name, so it might appear in a different spot in your list now. A couple of useful things to know here. First, all the items that were in that folder stay exactly where they are. The rename only changes what the folder is called, not the item stored inside it. Your vault entries remain in the folder and are completely unaffected. Second, if you want to create nested folders or organize folders hierarchically, you can use a / when naming your folder. For example, if you type work/projects in the folder name field, Bitwarden will automatically create a nested structure with projects as a subfolder under work. This is a handy way to keep related folders organized together. And one last thing to be aware of, if you're renaming a parent folder that already has subfolders nested under it, those subfolder names won't update automatically. Each folder in Bitwarden is treated as a separate entity, so you'd need to rename any nested subfolders individually if you want their names to match or reflect the new parent folder name. And that's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.